Yes, Arti. Now we can
Yes,
start. On the
okay.
middle basis.
Good afternoon, students.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
How are you all?
Fine, ma'am.
Okay. What is today's date?
It's 21/11/25.
Yes, and
Friday.
Friday, right. And what is today's good thought?
Everything is possible.
Tell me the strength of the class.
35.
Yes, right. 35 is the strength. Now we have to learn our we have to learn in subject mathematics. Uh, in last lecture we learned some parallel lines. Okay, all of you understood that parallel lines? Yes. Give me some example of parallel lines in real life.
Railway tracks,
Railway tracks and
Yes.
railway tracks.
Yes.
and
Railway track.
one of the exercise machine for knees and foot, that is parallel.
All of you just click on the slide. Click on the link that I share on our micro teaching group for the example. Okay. Wait. Yes. Please share on that link and tell me the example of parallel line in that link.
Railway
Yes,
track,
ma'am.
edge
Railway
of
Edge
a
of
track,
a
ruler,
ruler,
edges of
zebra
zebra
crossing,
crossing,
Yes.
electrical wires, cricket stumps, and racing tracks.
tracks.
Yes. These all examples are parallel lines in we have to see in our day-to-day life. Okay. Now we in that example, can you see some on some lines there are one line across on that parallel line. In railway tracks, you notice you have observed the two parallel lines. On that parallel lines, one line is across on that parallel lines.
Yes,
Yes?
Yes,
yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
And cricket stump also.
Yes,
yes.
ma'am.
Yes. What what we can say that line, that across line?
Intersecting.
Intersecting, right? Yes, we can say that intersecting. Also, we can say there that this line is transversal.
Transverse. Transverse.
Yes, can say that transversal line. Okay. Now we have to move towards our transversal line. All of you see the next line. All of you able to see next line?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes,
Yes, it's opening.
Yes. In that next slides, one video is there. We have to see that video and more understanding about our transversal line. Okay.
yes, ma'am.
The sound is all of you able to you heard that sound?
No.
Oh, ma'am.
काहीच साऊंड येत नाहीये का?
No, ma'am.
ओके. Okay. All of you see that video?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So what will you understand in that video? Hmm? Yes.
Consecutive
So about
angles.
yes, angles, their properties. Now some properties. Now tell me the transversal line. Definition of transversal line. If a line intersects two or more given lines in two or more distinct points, then the line is called transversal lines. Okay. Now,
Yes, ma'am.
some properties of transversal lines. You have to see that image. Yes. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
See that image.
Yes.
Yes. Here, how many angles are formed by transversal lines?
8 angles. Total 8 angles.
Yes.
8.
Total 8 angles are made by transversal lines. When two parallel lines are intersected by the transversal, the angles form each pair. ओके यहाँ पे जितने सारे भी एंगल हो रहे हैं 8 एंगल्स फॉर्म हुए हैं उनके पेयर में एंगल्स होते हैं देखो फर्स्ट इज करस्पॉन्डिंग एंगल्स अल्टरनेट एंगल्स एंड इंटीरियर एंगल नाउ व्हाट इज मीन बाय इंटीरियर एंगल a pair of angles which are on the same side of the transversal and inside the given lines is called a pair of interior angles. See that image. Can you tell me which number is interior angles?
Angle 3, angle 4, angles 5, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Tell me in pair.
3, 4 and 5, 6.
No.
Angle 3 and angle 5.
Okay, angle 1
Angle
and
3, 5, angle 4,
Angle
6.
4 and
4,
6.
6.
Yes. Angle 3 and angle 5
5, 4
in
and
a
6.
pair of interior
Interior
angles.
angles.
Yes, and also angle 4 and angle 6 is in a pair of interior angle. Second is corresponding angle. If the arms of the transversal of a pair of angles are in the same direction and other arms on the same side of the transversal, then it is called the corresponding angle.
Corresponding.
Right? Now tell me the number of corresponding angles in pairs.
Corresponding with something.
Corresponding angles show the same direction.
So same direction means 1 and 7. 1 and 7.
Angle 2, angle 6, angle 1, angle 5. Nee.
Yes,
No, no,
yes.
angle 1 and angle 7.
No, angle 1 and angle 1 is showing upward direction and angle 7 is showing downward direction. There
Angle
are
1 and angle 5, angle 2 and angle 6.
1 and 5.
yes, angle 1 and angle 5
Same
and angle
direction.
2 and angle
3 and
6 are
7.
corresponding angles. All of you understood?
Yes, and 4 and 8. Yes.
Yes. Next is alternate angle. A pair of angles which are on the opposite sides of transversal and their arms on the transversal shows opposite direction is called alternate angles. Now tell me the who is alternate angles, which number is alternate angles?
That is 1 and 7.
2 and
1,
3.
2 and 3. No, it is the vertically opposite. 2 and 3.
2 and 8.
2 and 8. No, 2 and 8. 2, no, 2 and 8, no.
3 and 6.
See,
Vertically opposite means
which are on
Angle 2 and angle 7.
angle 2 and angle
7.
7. Right.
Angle
See,
1 and angle 8.
angle 1 and angle 8.
8.
Right. Here, one note you have to just clarify. When alternate angle made, there are Z-shaped pattern made. See here, angle 2 and angle 7 line also made a Z-shaped pattern, and angle 1 and angle 8 line also made a Z-shaped pattern, right? Also here you have to see angle 4 and angle 5. It is also made a Z-shaped pattern. That means angle 4 and angle 5 also alternate angles, and angle 3 and angle 6 lines also made Z patterns. Understood?
Yes.
Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. These are the some angles formed by transversal lines. Okay. Now let's do some question. I have already sent that link in our micro teaching group. You have to just click on that link and answer that questions. Yes, open that link.
How do alternate angles?
First, tell me first question.
A line that intersect two or
Two
more
or more
lines of different
at different points are called.
Yes. So, click on the answer.
How do alternate angles become triangle?
Then first, second, third question.
First done. The fourth question is first done,
Yes.
second done, third done.
Fourth is
Why are interior angles called interior?
yes. What is the answer that question?
They are formed between two intersected lines.
Yes. Good answer, Anika. Keep it up. Next, you have to find that angle.
8
Fifth and
angles.
question. Yes. Tell me the answer of fifth question. A transversal cuts two parallel lines and an interior angle x is 180 and find the interior angle y is done all questions? Here
Yes,
we have
submitted.
okay. In last two questions we have to use properties of interior angle and corresponding angles. The property of interior and corresponding angle is the sum of that angles is supplementary, means 180 degree. By using that property, you have to solve that questions. Okay,
So
done all of
fifth, answer of fifth is 70.
70, right?
Yes.
Yes.
If corresponding is 70, what will the measure of the other corresponding?
And corresponding angle is congruence. That means equal. So the answer is another corresponding angle is 70. Right. Okay, done all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, good. Okay, let's recall. what we learn in lecture. Can anyone tell me the definition of transversal line?
Transversal line.
Yes.
Yes, is that a transversal line is a line that intersects two or more other lines in the same plane at two or more distinct points.
Yes. Good. Good. Very good answer. Next, how many angles is formed by transversal lines?
There are
Yes,
eight
Eight
angles.
angles. Eight
Yes.
angles.
8 angles. Okay. Tell me the names of angles that made up of transversal.
Interior
Interior
angles
angle,
Interior angles
corresponding and
corresponding angles
alternate.
and alternate
Three
opposite
angles.
angles.
Vertically opposite angle also. Yes, excellent answers. Now it's time to homework. First question is draw a line and draw a line L and M and draw their transversal. And second
line.
question is transversal line. And second question is write down the properties of angles
Angles
made by
made by
transversal.
transversal.
This homework you have to done in your notebook in tonight. Okay, all of you understood?
Yes, ma'am.
In next lecture, we have to learn the remaining properties of corresponding angle, interior angle, and alternate angles. In next lecture, we have to learn that properties. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.